To cook chicken drumsticks, you can bake, air fry, or even boil them. Baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, flipping halfway, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, is a common method. Air frying provides a crispy exterior, while boiling tenderizes the meat. Here's a more detailed look at cooking chicken drumsticks. 1. Baking. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Pat the drumsticks dry with paper towels to ensure crispy skin. Seasoning. Toss the drumsticks with oil, like olive oil, and your favorite seasonings, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, etc. Cooking. Place the drumsticks on a baking sheet, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Bake for 20 minutes, then flip and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Crisping. For extra crispiness, you can increase the oven temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius and broil for a few minutes at the end. 2. Air frying. Preparation. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Seasoning. Season the drumsticks as desired. Cooking. Air fry for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. 3. Boiling. Preparation. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Cooking. Add the drumsticks to the boiling water and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, or until cooked through. To fry chicken drumsticks, you'll first want to ensure the chicken is seasoned and coated, then deep fry it in hot oil until golden brown and cooked through. A good temperature for frying is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Detailed steps. 1. Seasoning and coating. Season the drumsticks generously with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Prepare a dredging station with flour, an optional cornstarch for extra crispiness, in one bowl and a beaten egg mixture, with milk or water, in another. Dredge each drumstick in the flour, then dip it in the egg mixture, and finally dredge it again in the flour mixture, ensuring a good, even coating. 2. Frying. Heat the oil in a deep fryer or a large, heavy-bottomed pot to the recommended temperature, 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the coated drumsticks into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for about 7 to 10 minutes per side, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, ensuring the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. 3. Draining and resting. Remove the fried drumsticks from the oil and place them on a wire rack or paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful chicken. Tips for success. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry the drumsticks in batches to maintain the oil temperature and ensure even cooking. Use a thermometer. A meat thermometer is essential for ensuring the chicken is cooked to a safe internal temperature. Adjust cooking time. The frying time may vary depending on the size of the drumsticks and the oil temperature. Indian chicken generally refers to a wide variety of chicken dishes popular in Indian cuisine. These dishes are known for their rich, aromatic spices and diverse regional variations. Common examples include butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, chicken curry, and tandoori chicken. French chicken can refer to several dishes, but most commonly it points to chicken francese, an Italian-American dish of pan-fried, flour-dredged, egg-dipped chicken cutlets in a lemon butter and white wine or sherry sauce. It's also sometimes called chicken French or chicken française. Another popular French dish is chicken fricassee, a stew with brown chicken pieces in a creamy white mushroom sauce. Mexican chicken typically refers to dishes featuring chicken that are seasoned and cooked using flavors and techniques common in Mexican cuisine. This can include a variety of preparations, from simple grilled or baked chicken to more complex dishes like mole or enchiladas. Common ingredients include various chili peppers, spices like cumin and oregano, and often citrus juices like lime. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Flavors and ingredients. Chili peppers. A wide variety of chilies are used, such as ancho, chipotle, and guajillo, contributing to the dish's flavor and heat. Spices. Cumin, oregano, paprika, and garlic are frequently used to season the chicken. Citrus. Lime and orange juice are common marinades, adding brightness and acidity. Other ingredients. Onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and various types of salsas are also frequently incorporated. 2. Common Mexican chicken dishes. Pollo asado, grilled or baked chicken marinated in citrus juices and spices, often with achiote for color. Shredded chicken tacos, chicken, often cooked in a slow cooker or instant pot, is shredded and used as a filling for tacos. Chicken enchiladas, corn tortillas filled with seasoned shredded chicken and smothered in a sauce, typically baked. Chicken mole, a complex sauce made with chocolate, chili peppers, spices, and nuts, served over chicken. Chicken fajitas, grilled chicken strips, often with peppers and onions, served with tortillas. Chicken tortilla soup, a flavorful soup with shredded chicken, tomatoes, and spices. Chicken flautas, rolled tortillas filled with chicken and fried until crispy. Chicken quesadillas, grilled tortillas filled with chicken and cheese. 3. Preparation methods. Grilling, popular for dishes like pollo asado and fajitas. Baking, used for enchiladas and other baked dishes. Slow cooker/instant pot, ideal for shredding chicken for tacos or other dishes. Stovetop, used for soups, sauces, and other dishes where simmering is required. 4. Serving. Mexican chicken dishes are often served with traditional sides like rice, beans, guacamole, and salsa. Walmart sells a variety of chicken products under the Freshness Guaranteed and Great Value brands, including whole chickens, boneless skinless breasts, and rotisserie chickens. They also offer fresh, hot, ready-to-eat fried chicken. Walmart's chicken is generally considered affordable and convenient, with options for various cooking methods and dietary needs. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Whole chickens. Walmart offers various whole chickens, including those with and without necks and giblets, and some that are EBT eligible. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These are a popular choice for quick and easy meals, and are available in various sizes and packaging options. Rotisserie chicken. Walmart's Freshness Guaranteed rotisserie chickens are slow-roasted and seasoned, offering a convenient, ready-to-eat option. Other products. Walmart also sells chicken wings, tenderloins, diced chicken, and various frozen chicken products. Cooking chicken, a guide for beginners. Chicken is a versatile protein that can be cooked in many ways, making it a great option for various meals and cooking styles. Here's a breakdown of common cooking methods and tips for beginners. 1. Preparing the chicken. Pound chicken breasts. For even cooking, especially with thicker cuts like chicken breast, it's beneficial to flatten them to a uniform thickness, around ½ an inch thick, using a meat mallet or rolling pin. Season generously. A classic chicken seasoning includes salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Paprika and thyme can add depth and create a balanced flavor profile, according to Raw Spice Bar. Marinate. Marinating chicken can enhance its flavor and tenderness. 2. Cooking methods. Pan frying. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add seasoned chicken and cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until browned and cooked through. Tip. For extra flavor and richness, add a tablespoon of butter to the skillet in the last minute of cooking and coat the chicken in the melted butter. Baking. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit 204 degrees Celsius depending on the recipe. Place seasoned chicken on a baking sheet or in a baking dish. Bake for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the cut and thickness. Broiling. Broil on the middle rack, turning halfway through, until chicken is golden in spots and cooked through. Roasting, whole chicken. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius, according to Epicurious. Remove giblets and pat the chicken dry. Season generously with salt, pepper, and herbs. Tie the legs together, truss, to help the chicken cook evenly and stay moist. Roast until cooked through and juices run clear. 3. Checking for doneness. Internal temperature. The safest way to ensure chicken is cooked is to check its internal temperature with a food thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bones. Safe internal temperature. Chicken is fully cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Visual cues, less reliable. Clear juices. The juices should run clear, not pink, when the thickest part of the chicken is pierced with a knife or skewer. Meat color. The meat should be white throughout, without any pink. Resting. After cooking, let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing or serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in more tender and juicy meat. 4. Food safety tips. Prevent salmonella. Cook chicken to a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to destroy salmonella bacteria. Avoid cross-contamination. Keep raw chicken and its juices separate from ready-to-eat foods. Wash thoroughly. Wash hands, cutting boards, utensils, and countertops with hot, soapy water after handling raw chicken.